Dito naman ako.
Kaya pala nandito na siya.
Kuya Ate Mercy.
Alat.
Di man eh, gusto mo.
Ano, parang kumanda.
Parang siya mabilis. Parang siya nakadal.
Ay, masaya na sa tinuro.
Sabi niya na nawala daw ko.
Wala na, na-expired na. Binati kasi natin nun eh.
Sabi niya sa akin nawala daw.
Ate,
Patawag ko
ate
lang
Genevieve.
nandun daw sa room nila.
Ay, moto. You receive? No, no.
That's all Lala no, I give to Ate Mercy.
Come all.
Yeah. I give all to Ate Mercy after.
Oh? Why? You didn't go?
So she will cook.
This is already cooked. How is it cooked? This is cooked. Who told you this is not cooked?
It's
Bagay.
roasted. Ah, roasted.
Roasted in sand.
Yeah, this already roasted.
You didn't tell me.
Uy, parang hindi pa luto. Yung mani.
Roasted daw.
Uy.
You didn't eat before this.
Parang hindi pa luto.
Na-text din tayo.
Okay. When you coming, message me. I bring for you. Only for you.
Ako, tawag na naman sa atin, Lord.
You forgot the one you told me.
Huh?
The one I asked you earlier.
Ah, sweet. I have sweet. A lot. I will bring. Okay. Excuse me.
Not for you.
No, it's for my brother also. Special.
No, no, no.
Special.
And then you later you will do marites to me about Bobby.
How come? I didn't tell anything about Bobby. I told you say you are Habibi. Only I told like this. When
No, Bobby
when
is
you're not here,
doing
I told.
marites, Bobby.
See, when you're not here, I asked you her where you are Habibi. Who I told her. He told him, Mom. But last time she told me, you know, part time.
Uy, Lala, you're making stories. That's not nice. I will not talk to you anymore, Lala.
What? What? What do you say? What do you say? Hello. Hello.
Iba ka nandiyan yan.
Hello. Hello. One. Hello. Two. Hello. Three. Kadas.
Sige, sige.
Sabihan mo lang ng muraot pa.
Oy, hindi naman Abi pangalan mo ah.
Bakit?
Ba't suot mo yan? Hindi abi yan, abay. Abay-bay pala. Spell. Masarap yung pie.
Focus tayo.
Ano na ako? Ha? So, alam kong makapaglaro ko.
Hindi ka makagalaw ng maayos.
Kairos, large dito.
Ayun sana gusto ng burak.
Bago mo ko ano.
Gusto kong burak utin.
Ano ba? Mabuburaot ka lang kami dito, kaya nga kami pumunta.
Hindi kami
Aray,
mas malaki ba rin?
ano mo, mamaya. Mas malaki pa. Ayan, malaki yan. Large ba yan? Large pala yan, medium eh.
Para sa aming lunch dalawa.
Iwan,
Sabihin niyo dyan.
iwan ko dito ha.
Malamig na yan, din yung kinakain. Dapat kinakain ko na yan. Diba? Tama ko, tama. Perfect.
Yan.
Kailangan mag-diet para ma-shoot mo.
O, tingnan mo ako.
Ano ba yung inano mo sa akin?
Di ba dati yung
Yung kanina, large. Large ba yun? Medium.
Di ba dati yung mga jersey ko pumuputok sa akin. Di ba sabi ko sa'yo kailangan ko mag-diet para hindi ka pumutok.
Ay, lalaki ulit!
Ngayon hindi na pumuputok mga jersey ko.
Excited pa naman ako.
Yun nga yun.
Ay, nalala.
Nakakumbikad ko.
May nakatago ka dyan.
Ay,
Porkit ang ganda ng ano, outfit.